Hello, I'm in a 2005 Subaru Baja, and today I'm going to show you to open the hood. So from the driver's side, we'll come down, and you should see this release lever that will pull. If there's no tension at all here, you might want to double check that this cable is attached. If there's no cable there, you might need to address that. But now from the front, the hood should be slightly loose now. But you can reach your fingers in here. And here there's a lever, so we're going to push and lift. To push and lift. And there's an arm here that you can pull up. Sorry for the video quality. There we go. So now I got the arm here holding it up. Here's that lever. Make sure nothing's bent or broken, no debris in here that needs cleaned up. If it's sticking a lot, maybe spray some WD-40 to loosen it. But that's what all that looks like. And then up top here is where it was hooked onto. Again, make sure nothing's bent or broken, and also make sure your hood's in proper alignment. So if it's crooked, that could cause you issues as well. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.